And now let's go to Bix Buzz. Ay, sorry, Bix, may scramble ka pa dyan. Sorry. Pero ang sarap. Alam mo, gusto ko talagang...
Sumakto.
Gusto ko talagang umavail niyan mamaya.
Pangatlo na nga ni Bix yan.
Oy, grabe ka. It's time to eat.
Yan. Time to enjoy. Okay.
Let's go, Michael Almacen.
Hello, guys.
We love you.
Pero congrats sa nakakaabang-abang to sa weekend. Pero ang una kong tanong ay sa legendary pagdating sa hosting. Si Robby. Robby, may sekreto ka ba na kumbaga ang ganda ng rapport mo sa mga nakakasama mong host? Kasi iba-iba yung mga nakakasama mong host, pero lumalabas yung magandang rapport ninyo.
I don't know. Wala akong sekreto talaga. It's more of, I really enjoy what I do. Actually, two things. I love what I do, and I listen to my wife.
Wow.
So, yun yung, I think, mga ibang mga bagay, or dalawang key reasons why this happens. Especially, kunyari, may nangyari sa set or may hindi pagkakaunawaan with someone. Hindi naman dito sa programang ito. But yun, I tell my wife everything and she tells me, oh, process mo muna yan. And then, ganito gawin mo. Okay. And then I do it. Okay na. Okay na.
Pero ano pakiramdam na isa ka sa mga gusto ng mga host na makatrabaho? Ng iba't ibang host, pag tinatanong sila, ikaw yung sinasabi nila sa isa sa mga gusto nilang makatrabaho.
I feel honored and it's the same with me. Gusto ko rin sila makatrabaho.
Wow.
Galing sumagot, no? Perfect answer, lalo na yung wife mo. Perfect.
Wow.
Gusto rin.
Wow. Eddie, wow.
Well-trained.
Pero Jella, si Robby ba generous sa pagbibigay ng advice?
Naku, ayan na. Sabihin mo lahat, Jella, wag ka mahiya. Oo.
Kasi nag-asa ko kay Robby, di ako sinagot.
Yes, super. As kanina I said, I wouldn't be the host I am now without Kuya Robby. As in, since siya po yung kasama ko ngayon sa simula ng journey ko na to, I will always, he will always be close to my heart.
Wow.
From the moment we started Time to Dance. And I said that to myself as in I took note na sobrang mataas na respeto ko kay Kuya Robby watching him, pero mas tumaas pa nung nakasama ko siya as a host on stage.
Wow. Pero saan ka mas na-charge? Sige, ano masasabi mo?
Salamat.
Actually, pati sa akin,
Generous din siya.
Kung makaturo ka, akala ko may
Pero
ginawa ko
tinutulungan ka niya ng
masama.
saya.
Sa dancing.
Kuya Robby gives me advice din kasi if you're judging, di ba, it's talking. So there's a lot of times, and everyone knows din, nahirapan ako sa Tagalog. So he's always giving me advice if I'm saying enough Tagalog, if I need to focus more on being not in my head about what I'm saying and stuff. So I have a lot of respect for him din talaga.
Pero akala ko nagbibigay siya ng advice sa pagsasayaw.
And he gives
Sila
me
naman.
dance moves din.
Sila naman na nagbibigay ng advice. Pero I think I got a follow-up answer to that.
Yes.
I make an effort. Not just inside the studio, pero my work is relationships eh. So even outside work, pagtapos na yung mga taping, yung script, reading, I make an effort na, oy, labas tayo. At doon ko mas nakikilala yung tao. So I think yung nakikita na lang sa screen is the aftermath of all the bonding times na meron kami. Like this guy, si Ken, nakasama ko ng January 1 hanggang 5 a.m.
Wow.
So may mga ganong moments na magkikita kami or kung sino man, nakasama yung asawa ko syempre. para safe.
Alam mo, hindi halatang takot na takot ka kay Mikey, Robby.
Para, ayun lang. Yun, I make an effort for all the relationships.
Akala ko nagyayaya ka para sila magbayad.
Pwede rin.
Uy, highest paid to. Kaya niya
Ay,
yun.
totoo naman.
Kaya highest pa rin yung high pa rin yung account na kay Mikey. Oo, sa kanya.
Pero totoo naman yan. Pero ikaw, Jella, saan ka mas na-challenge? Sa acting or sa hosting?
Ooh. Oh my gosh. I think po sa hosting, if I'm being honest. I mean, hindi sa madali yung acting po. Pero, hosting kasi, hindi po kasi ako talagang madalas magsalita. And I kind of have a fear of public speaking. So, mas na-challenge po ako nung una sa hosting. Kasi with acting, it came natural. But with hosting, medyo, I had to squeeze my brain pa po. Yeah.
Pero ano masasabi mo pag sumasayaw si Robbie?
Pag sumasayaw si Kuya...
Parang-
Idol ko po siya actually.
Parang na-challenge din siya.
Yeah, kanina nga yung entrance mo, na-challenge rin ako.
Sobra. So, na-challenge na leading to asar. Na-asar na siya. Ano ba ito?
Natuturoan mo ba siyang sumayaw?
Ako?
Yeah, hindi. Si Jella. Natuturoan ka
Okay,
ba niya?
okay. Coach Jella?
Sorry, ako po.
Natuturoan mo ba si Robin sumayaw?
Si Kuya Robbie, hindi... Ako ba?
Yes,
Kuya?
yes.
Parang
Ay, hindi
hindi
pa.
eh. Hindi ko naman siya tinuturuan kung ano gusto ni Kuya Rob. Magaling kasi siya talaga.
Wow. Sample nga.
Mamaya.
Yeah,
Mamaya sa sample lang kita.
kanina, Jella got nervous nung pasok
Yeah,
ka
sabi ko, ang
kanina.
hirap sundan.
Kasi dahil sa moves mo.
Kinabahan ako, Kuya.
Kinabahan ako para kay Coach Vimy. Actually.
Ako din.
Ayan.
After nung ginawa mo, parang kailangan mag-step up.
Okay,
So,
thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Kakain na ulit akong scramble.
Okay.
Go! Sorry na, istorbo ka namin, Michael.
Pasensya na.
Sorry,
Pasensya na,
Bix
Bix.
Buzz. Oo, na-istorbo, yes. Okay, now, let's go to Hannah Malorca from Inquirer. Ako na magtatanong. Okay, sure thing. Ang tanong ni Hannah ay for
Kamay sa dibdib?
Robbie.
Ay, sorry.
Kamay sa dibdib. Oo. Okay, you were exposed to a lot of dance styles in Time to Dance. If ever, given the chance, anong
Oh my
style of
gosh.
dancing ang gusto mong itry na matutuhan? At anong na-realize mo about the art of dancing while doing the show? So, i-clear lang natin yun. Hindi lang po hip-hop ang
Hindi.
tinatakal na dance dito sa Time to Dance. Iba-ibang styles yan.
I love that question.
Ang ganda ng question, I would go with two styles, specifically whacking. Tinatanong ko yung coaches.
Whacking?
Whacking?
Whacking.
And crumping. Uy, nakita ko yon. So, yan. Two
Walking
styles.
or locking, Kuya?
Ha? Ha?
Sample nga,
Oh,
sample nga.
hindi namin
Walking.
alam kung ano yung whacking eh. Paano yung whacking?
Yeah, something like that. Ganyan.
Yan.
Baka pwedeng request natin si Miss Tess. Wow, si Miss Tess pala.
Ayan, no?
Uy, the dancer si Miss Tess, ah.
Grabe si Miss Tess Scooby, ha?
Hindi, pwede baka pwede kami
Actually,
maglambing, Ken. Ken,
yung
pa,
whacking-
ano naman, pa-demo
Whacking.
naman. Paano yung whacking?
Pero that's what's perfect with this show eh. Kasi the general public is introduced to the different dance styles of
Yes.
street dance. So yung mga notion na nakikita nyo na the familiar movements and vocabs, dito matatackle natin to really explain to everyone so there's better understanding what they're doing. Whacking, crump, and a few more styles. Kasi as siguro, kung kunwari from mga just fans of dancing, pag napanood mo, you get interested by certain styles kasi parang siguro it relates to your, siguro mas nakakasanayan mo na movement, personality. So with this show also, given that we're inviting so many dance leaders, they really get to dive into explaining and breaking down what the style is about, history, the culture, kasi malalim yan eh. Kaya talaga nagpapasalamat kami na may ganitong platform because mas malayo yung reach. Mas malayo yung reach para ma-explain namin yung mga styles na to.
Okay. So, abangan po natin yung sample dun sa mismong episode.
Yes. May crumping dun. But if you want some crumping lessons, Miss Tess Scooby can teach you. She is an expert, especially
I-follow niyo
crumping.
po si Miss Tess Gubi. May mga dance videos po siya. Okay. Now, let's go to pep.ph, People's Balita and Hataw Tabloid, Mr. Romel Gonzalez.
Yes, hello, good afternoon.
Hi, Dito.
Hi,
Nice to
Jella.
see you.
Same here. My first question is, Jella, kung ang binigay sa yung show to host is not a dance show, would you accept it like lifestyle or travel show? Kasi I know you love to travel. Or talagang mas gusto mo ang isang dance show to host?
Actually, now that this is a good start for me po, dancing, because it's something I know of very well. Natatakpan mo daw po yung camera.
Sorry, Bix.
Ang sarap pa naman ang kain niya ng scramble.
Na-istorbo na naman
Oh,
natin yung
sorry.
pagkain niya na
Ano ba yan?
scramble.
Sorry po. But, yun, this is a very good start. And yes, I'm willing to get into hosting. I enjoyed it po, especially with Kuya Robbie's company and Coach Vimy and Ken. I would be willing, really. Yeah.
Pero iba impact sa'yo kung na itong ang dance show ang binigay sa'yo.
Yes, syempre po. Kasi it's, as I said, on advocacy.
Yes, and since you're a dance champion. And my next question is, will we see you and your Kuya Arjo dance together in one episodes of Time to Dance?
Will they? Actually, I hope so.
Yeah.
Ako, hindi ko po alam talaga, in all honesty. Kasi, hindi pa po kami tapos mag-shoot. So, hopefully, you guys get to. Like, I'm really crossing my fingers that Kuya finds time also to rehearse bilang busy rin po siya. Yes, busy rin po siya as a congressman.
Yes, pero I'm sure ang daming ma-excite na mapanood kayo magkapatid, diba?
Yes, yun nga
Let's
po.
sayaw.
Pero si Kuya po kasi, he's also very meticulous when it comes to dancing.
Yes.
Ayaw niya po yung sasalang lang siya ng basta-basta. He always tells Coach, Coach, I have to rehearse like weeks before or a week before minimum. Yes.
Ayun, thank you and congratulations,
Thank you,
Jella.
Tito. Thank
My
you.
next question is for Robbie. Robbie, ito a serious question.
Serious question.
How would you rate yourself as a dancer? Kasi napuri ka na ng husto as a host. Pero as a dancer, seriously, how would you rate yourself?
Over 10? Wow! Over 10 po ba? I think nagsimula po ko 0.1 out of 10. Siguro ngayon, I would safely say, tumaas naman, mga 4. 4.
Sample daw, sabi ni Vic.
Just like Arjo, kailangan ko pa mag-rehearse. Matindi. If you would give me the time, I would dance talaga.
Kaya ni Kuya Robbie, promise.
And
Hindi
my
ako
last
ng
question,
etchos.
Robbie, sino ang dream mong makasayaw sa Time to Dance? Aside from Chela, of course, and them.
Oh.
Yung dream mong makasayaw na for the first time.
Gusto ko talagang makasama ulit yung Giger Boys.
Oh.
Oo. Like, either ASAP or Time to Dance, I want that group to go back and just to see and have a conversation with them. Alam ko yung galaw namin iba-iba na.
Pero pwede naman,
Pero
diba?
kayang-kaya. Kayang-kaya yan.
So may chance ba na mapanood ang Giger Boys sa Time to Dance?
I think if AJ allows it, game. And I mean, we always think about AJ when we talk about Giger Boys. Especially, I got to talk to the parents nung December 31 din. So, yeah, whatever happens in my heart, Giger Boy pa rin ako.
Yes. Thank you and
Yeah.
congratulations.
Thank you.
Kung ang Street Boys nag-reunion, di ba? Oh, why not Giger Boys din? Okay, now, for our final question, this will be coming from Franz Sahorda.
Ay, nako.
Where is Franz?
Miss France? Kanina lang kasama natin siya.
Okay, babasahin ko na lang daw
okay.
yung ano.
Ay, okay.
Yung kanyang
Hi, Miss
question.
France. Sa France?
Okay, this is for Jella.
Yes.
So, hi Jella. You're coming from senior high and high street where you had a remarkable performance. My question is, if your character Sanya will join Time to Dance, who among her fellow senior high or high street characters shall join her team?
Ooh, I love this question. I miss Sanya. Sobrang wish ko po umarte, promise. Nagpa-flashback lahat ngayon. I would definitely choose Kenji. Kenji, who was played by Tommy Alejandrino, my best friend in the show. So Kenji, aside from him being Sanya's best friend, he was also part of the dance crew with me in senior high. So we were supposed to have a dance crew po. Hindi lang po siya masyadong na-tackle. But yun, marunong po kasing sumayo si Tommy. So, Kenji. And also, Poch. Poch's character naman sa High Street was Poch, who was played by Miggy Jimenez. Si Poch was an aspiring actor. That was his character in High Street. So, definitely, marunong siyang sumayaw if gusto niyang mag-artista. So, I would definitely choose Kenji and Poch. Oh, I miss them.
Thank you very much, Jella. And now for the last question of Miss France. This is for Coach Vimy. Coach Vimy, you're one remarkable dance jurado in It's Showtime. How different is it to judge on It's Showtime compared to Time to Dance?
Well, I love both for sure. But in comparison, with Showtime, I really get to see them when they're performing already. Somehow with Time to Dance, we're part of the whole journey. So you mentor them, but at the same time, fairly, without biases, you judge them also. So you're helping them improve, but there's, in a way, it's like an assessment. It's like an assessment na kailangan talaga, although yung different levels na pagdadaanan, it's not just surviving it. There should be an actual progress and growth skill-wise and yung overall nila na presentation.
Yes. So, mas kita niyo yung buong journey dito sa Time to Dance. Yes. So, aabangan po natin ang lahat ng yan pag nag-show na po ang Time to Dance this Saturday. And later on, I will ask you guys to invite everyone. But before that, of course, marami tayong gustong pasalamatan. Kita niyo naman dito sa media conference natin, may scramble. ang dami masasarap na pagkain. Yung set, ang ganda ha.
Ang ganda ng set. Thank you,
It's
guys.
giving hip-hop vibes talaga. Yes. So, we would like to thank our sponsors, Mobile Barista Coffee Bar, Trilo Dent, iWhite Korea, Era, Bloom's Chewable Tablet, JC, and ang favorite ni Bix Buzz, Scramble! Yes, and we would also like to thank the people that made this MediaCon a success. Our Time to Dance creative and production team! Thank you very
Yes,
much!
Thanks, guys.
Thank you so much always.
Maraming salamat din sa Nathan Studios!
Thank you po.
Our Star Magic and Star Hunt D-Homies! So explain lang natin yung D-Homies, yun yung tawag sa mga nanonood
Yes,
ng Time
Dance
to Dance.
Homies. Dance
Yes,
Homies. Yeah.
Dance Homies. Kanina nga narinig ko si Jella sabi niya, D-mates? Dance mates ba yun? Ako lang yung nakarinig na.
May mga narinig ka ba? May mga nakikita ka ba?
Guni ko lang.
Dance contenders?
Oo.
Hindi ko rin sure. Hindi ko na sure. Tapos, meron din tayong pasasalamatan. Of course, ang ABS-CBN PR. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you so much, PR.
And our ABS-CBN technical team. Thank you very much po. Yes. And of course,
Yes.
our friends from the media, the
Yep.
press po,
Thank you,
maraming
everyone.
salamat.
Also, I would
Robbie?
love to say
Yes.
thank you personally to Kreml S for the products. May mga bags silang pinadala. And Bello Essentials, maraming salamat po. Big help. Appreciate you guys.
Meron pa po bang gusto magpasalamat? Okay.
May babati
Yes,
pa ba?
Omi, I want to say thank you so much to everyone here. And kanina hindi ko rin po nabanggit, thank you so much to the creative team of Time to Dance. Hindi na ako magsasabi ng mga pangalan kasi baka may makalimutan ako. But especially to our very hardworking writers, sobrang nakikita ko yung hard work that you put into this. All the thought, ang hirap magsulat for a reality nga naman. So I am a college student who is taking communication arts. So I've always had respect for people in prod. But now, lalo ko silang nakikita, lalong tumataas yung respeto ko para sa mga, para sa prod and for everyone who works behind the scenes and also the press. So thank you so much everyone. And thank you Ate Ai for hosting today.
Thank you. It's my pleasure. Yes. At maraming salamat din po sa lahat. And now, I give the floor to you guys, to our hosts and our dance council, to invite everyone to watch Time to Dance. Let's start with Coach Vimy. Go ahead.
Just a quick shout out. I'll just give a big ups to coaches Dun and Coach Cheng, who's part of Legit Status and part of
Yes.
the whole process also in helping all of the dance contenders. So sa aming mga D-homies, eto na, we're 1 week away, no? And we're so excited to present you Time to Dance, and we can assure you it's going to be an exciting ride for all of our viewers, and we just hope and pray na you'll be with us all throughout, but we can definitely, again, assure you na this is a dance reality na quality talaga and exciting, tsaka may puso. So thank you very much, and once again, thank you, Nathan Studios, ABS-CBN, to all the prod, the creatives, everyone. Jella, Robbie, and Ken for being, and everyone else who's judging and performing throughout the show. So thank you.
Thanks, Coach Vimy. Now let's hear from Ken.
Yes, everybody, please watch the show. If this show is for everyone. If you like music, if you feel good when you listen to music, this show is for you. So abangan, malapit na, and we're so excited. we can't put it into words how excited we are to share this with you guys. And thank you to the whole team. What you guys are seeing now is just a very small number of the whole team putting this together. So thank you to everyone talaga. And please watch.
Yes, and kahit nga small number lang, kitang-kita na namin yung chemistry, yung pagka-komportable nyo sa isa't isa. So we can't wait to see that on screen as well. Jella, go ahead.
Yes, so it's this Saturday na po. Time to Dance, January 18 na po. 8. Yes, this Saturday. Hindi na ako iiyak, kuya.
Just in case lang.
Patapos na.
Ready na kami, ready na.
Sorry guys, you all had to deal with my tears. Pero sana nag-enjoy kayo watching me cry. Pero yes, Time to Dance this January 18. This Saturday na po, 8:30 p.m. to 9:15 p.m. on the Kapamilya channel, Kapamilya Online Live, A to Z, I Want TFC, and Mix. Yes po. TFC,
as
yes.
well.
And TFC.
Thank you, Future Mix VJ Jella.
Yes!
Hey! And, of course, former Mix VJ talaga, Robbie Domingo, the highest paid
Huy,
host in the
tama na.
country.
I just want to say thank you, Ai, for making this press con enjoyable together with all of you guys. We know for a fact that you will enjoy the show as much as you enjoyed the scramble. And, huh? Ay, wala na pala, ubos na. Pero, eto, meron pa, marami pa. Maraming salamat talaga. Sobrang na-appreciate po namin yung oras na ibinigay nyo. Pero, kapag uusapan natin ng oras, mahalagang ang oras at mahalaga yung oras para sa dance community na ito, lalong-lalo na sa oras na ibinigay ng Time to Dance team and ni Jella para ipakita yung gigil at galing ng Pinoy dancers all over the nation. Hopefully, when this becomes successful, we can have more Filipinos from different parts of the globe join the show. But we will need your help and it will start this Saturday. Time to Dance. Let's do this. Maraming salamat po.
Yes, abangan po natin yan. And now we invite everyone to please stand for a photo op. Let's have the hosts and the dance council first. And while you take pictures of them, again, inaabangan na po natin ang pagsisimula ng Time to Dance. This Saturday na po yan, 8:30 p.m. to 9:15 p.m. This January 18, available on A to Z, on the Kapamilya Online Live channel. It's also available on the Kapamilya channel, yes, on I Want TFC, and Mix. So, abangan po natin yan. We will have our dance contenders. Nakita naman po natin kanina. Iba-iba ang kwento nila. Iba-iba ang kanilang mga pinanggalingan. Pero, syempre, iisa lang ang kanilang pangarap. Iisa ang puso nila para sa pagsasayaw. And this is their time. So, abangan po natin Time to Dance. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga nakatutok sa atin ngayon live and, of course, our friends from the media. Once again, I'm Ai de la Cruz. Time to Dance this Saturday.
Sayaw sa taas na